Hi friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to know how much RAM is utilized by your Windows 11 computer. Okay, this is my Dell Precision 7750 laptop or 7740 laptop, and it's have 32 gigabyte of RAM. Then how to know how much RAM is utilizing your PC? So it is very simple. You can simply launch your task manager from the search menu, click search, then simply type on task. Then you can see here this task manager. Open that, and you can simply uh, expand the screen. Okay, so and you can see here there is performance tab, the second one. Okay, select that. Then you can see my total memory is around 36.6 GB, and my computer using 5.6 GB just for a OBS studio recording my screen. It will be use 5 GB. I don't know why this much utilization is happening. You can see here my performance. You can see here there is NVIDIA broadcast is using 500 MB, and anti-malware is using 200, and OBS studio is only using 200. All other softwares are running with Windows utility softwares and Windows bloatware. They are using my 5 gigabytes of RAM. It is too bad for a system. So I don't know why. And in this way, you can easily identify how much RAM is utilizing by your computer on a idling or a very soft things where you are doing. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.